You can use the library search to access your account, which lets you see the items you have checked out and easily renew them if you're not finished with them. Start by visiting the library's website, library.okstate.edu. Click the account link at the top of the page. If you're already signed in, you will see your account screen with the list of all the items you currently have checked out. If you're not signed in, you'll see a notice requesting that you sign in. Click the button and enter your OKey account credentials. The screen refreshes, and you can now see all the items you have on loan from the library. Each one shows information such as title, author, and the date it was checked out. You can sort items according to when they're due using the drop-down menu. To renew an item, simply click the Renew button and a confirmation screen will load, letting you know that the expiration date will be extended. Click the Renew button to confirm, and the item will be renewed. If you click the Renew button and an error message displays, it means the item is not available for renewal. This doesn't often happen, and usually just means that due to the nature of the specific item, the system is not set up to allow renewals on it. Finally, the system only allows items to be renewed one at a time. If you'd like to renew multiple items, you have to do each one individually. The process only takes a few seconds, but if you have dozens of items, it could be a little bit cumbersome. Fortunately, there's an easy solution. Just call the library circulation desk or send an email to libsir@okstate.edu, and one of our helpful staff members can take care of batch renewals for you. If you need help, you can use the library chat, visit answers.library.okstate.edu, or email libraryhelp@okstate.edu.